For today, I will be teaching you how to play Sana by I Belong to the Zoo. So let's get started. So first part is the intro. So intro chords ay first is C add 9. So 1 here. Then ang susunod na chord ay G. So from C add 9, lalagay nyo lang yung dalawang fingers ito on top. So C add 9 and G. The next is E minor. And the last one is D sustain na chord. So, ganito yung intro. Twice to play. The next is the verse chords. So the verse chords, meron itong two parts. So first ay pareha lang ng chords ng intro chord. So C add 9, then G, then E minor, and D sustain. And the second part of the verse chords is C add 9, then G, then E minor. Then instead of going to D sustain, we'll go back to G. So, ganito yung verse na chords. Balik ulit sa G. The next is the pre-chorus chords. So, pre-chorus chords ay E minor and G. So, last part ng verse. Pre-chorus. The next is chorus. So sa chorus, so first chord is C add 9, then followed by G, then eagle minor, then G. Then after nito ay C add 9, then G, and D sustain. So yung dalawang pattern na yon ay gagawin twice. So ito yung chorus. Then pagkatapos ng chorus ay balik sa intro na chord. C add 9, G, E minor, then D sustain. Then next is second verse. Then after the second verse is pre-chorus. Then next is the second chorus. So sa second chorus, the same lang yung first three chord pattern. Yung C add 9, then G, then E minor, then G. Then second part, C add 9, then G, then D sustain. Then C add 9, then G, then Eagle minor, then G. Now, pagkatapos nito ay A minor 7. So, this is the chord here. Then, followed by B minor. Then, C at 9. So, I think gagawin ito 3 to 4 times bago mag-end ang song. So, ito yung chords ng second chorus. A minor 7, A minor, balik ulit, last part ng kanta, yung pagkatapos ng A minor, E minor, then C at 9, then G, then E minor, G, then C at 9, then G. So last chord ng kanta ay G. So last part ng chorus, A minor 7. So ito yung last chord. So I hope this video helped you, and see you again next time.